Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So, today we'll start the second chapter of science, that is microorganism, friends and foe. Okay, so tell me, what do you mean by microorganism? We see many different kinds of living organism in our surrounding, but there are some living organism which are not visible from naked eyes or which we can't see from our eyes, and those organisms are called microorganism or microbes. Some microorganism can be seen without the help of microscope, like the fungus that used to grow on a bread slice, but other can't be seen without the help of microscope. That is why these organisms are called microorganism or microbes. Microorganisms are classified in four groups, that is bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. Viruses are also seen with the help of microscope, but they are different from microorganism because they reproduce only when they are inside the host body. Cold, flu, cough are caused by viruses, and some serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by viruses. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa, whereas typhoid and tuberculosis are bacterial diseases. Microorganisms can be single-celled or unicellular like bacteria, and they can be multicellular like fungi. They can survive in all type of environment, whether it's ice cold climate or it's very hot. They can also be found inside the bodies of humans and animals. As the chapter name says, friends and foe means advantage and disadvantages of microorganism. They play an important role in our life but also have some drawbacks. First, let's discuss the advantages of microorganism. They are used for various purposes. They are used in the preparation of curd, bread and cake. They are also used for cleaning the environment. They are also used to increase the fertility of soil by fixing the nitrogen, which we will discuss in little brief later on. We have already studied that curd is made from milk by bacteria. A bacteria named Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. When it is mixed in milk, it starts to multiply and convert the milk into curd. Bacteria are used in making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Bacteria and yeast are used for fermentation of rice idlis and dosa batter. Yeast reproduce rapidly and releases carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide fills up in the dough that increases the volume of the dough. On this basis, yeast is also used in baking industry. Microorganisms also have some commercial uses as they are used in large scale for the production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid, which is vinegar. Yeast are grown on natural sugar which are present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, etc. for the production of alcohol and wine. And when the yeast will convert the sugar into alcohol, its smells will start coming. This process of conversion is known as fermentation. Microorganisms are also used for some medicinal purposes. When we fall sick, then we visit to a doctor and doctor used to prescribe us some antibiotics or with some injections. These are made from microorganisms only. When they are injected in our body, they kill or stop the growth of microorganisms. There are many antibiotics been produced from bacteria and fungi. These antibiotics are also mixed with the fodder to check the microbial infection in animal. They are also used in the case of plants. Some precaution we must take while taking antibiotics. It should be taken only when doctor prescribed it. We must complete the course, and if we take it in a wrong dose, then it may kill the beneficial microbes. And when we are suffering from common cold and flu, we should not take antibiotics because this disease are caused by viruses, and antibiotics are useful in case of disease caused by bacteria and fungi. Now, let's go to the another topic, which is vaccine, and it is very essential. How does it works and everything about it. When any disease causing microbes enter our body, then our body produces antibiotics to fight with the outsider microbes, or we call them as invaders. Antibodies are the dead or weakened microbes which know how to fight with the invaders and protect us from the disease that they might cause in our body. This is how vaccine works. Diseases like smallpox, tuberculosis, hepatitis are cured by vaccine. In childhood, it is very important to take vaccines and protect our child from such diseases. Polio drops which are given to the children are also vaccine. Vaccine has also helped in the eradication of smallpox, and these days vaccines are produced in large scale so that it is available to all. Microorganism also helps in increasing the fertility of soil by enriching the soil with nitrogen, and these microbes are called biological nitrogen fixer. Another advantage of microorganism is cleaning the environment. Microorganism converts the plants, animals and domestic wastes into manure which can be again used by the plants and are very cheap and provide much more benefit as compared to that of fertilizers. We see the dead animals on the ground, but after few days they get disappear. This was because of microorganism. They decomposes them. This was all about the advantages of microorganism. Now, if anything have some advantage, it will definitely have some disadvantages too. So, let's study the disadvantages of microorganism. Some microorganisms are very harmful. They cause diseases in humans, animals and plants, and the disease carrying microbes are called pathogens. So, sometimes these pathogens enter our body through air, water or food, and they can also enter our body when we have direct contact with an infected person. And when some disease from an infected person is transferred to a healthy person, then that disease is termed as communicable diseases such as common cold, chickenpox, etc. When an infected person suffering from any such disease sneezes, then fine droplets come out which carries thousands of viruses and are spread in the air, and when a healthy person inhale that air, he or she also get infected. Animals and insects also carry pathogens like housefly seeds on the garbage, then some pathogens get stick to its body, and when this housefly seeds on the uncovered food, then the pathogens are left on the food and make the food unfit for us. Female Anopheles mosquitoes carries the parasite of malaria, and female Aedes mosquito carry dengue, and these diseases are very dangerous, so we must take some step to control the spread of malaria and dengue. We know that collected water is the breeding place of mosquitoes, so we should make sure that in our surrounding there is no breeding place available and it is cleaned. Microorganism not only causes diseases to humans, but also it causes diseases to animals and plants. In animals, anthrax, which is a very dangerous disease, is caused by bacteria. Some microorganisms also cause diseases to the plants like wheat, rice, apple, orange, etc. By using certain chemicals, we can prevent the growth of these microbes in such plants. This was all about today. We will continue this chapter in the next video. Until now, if there is any doubt, you can just comment below. Thank you.